In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect Codex to WooCommerce so that you can create, for example, unique analysis regarding your products, your sales data, or your analytics in WooCommerce. So what you do is the following. In your WooCommerce dashboard you head into Settings, and from Settings you head into Advanced. From Advanced you're going to press REST API keys, and then you're going to press Add Key. Here you're going to call this Codex. I'm going to call it Codex 2 because I've already set this up once. You read and write. You select read and write and you generate the key. So here we're going to head into the Codex screen, and I'm going to pull it up in here, and we're going to type the following. Hey, please connect to this WooCommerce website. I'm typing it in here like this. Use these API settings. Credentials. And give me a overview of the sales last 365 days. This is a very simple task because this is also a test store, so it's gonna output 0 for me. But I could imagine if you, for example, have a broad range of products. Let's say, for example, you have a couple of thousand products, and you want to see especially at what peak times specific products are selling the most, what time of the year. So you can use this to get some very valuable insights in your regarding the product analytics you have in your store. So I've sent this prompt to Codex, and it's already done. Connected successfully to your WooCommerce API and pull the sales report for the last 365 days. So that is indeed, because today is the 20th of February, the time of recording, and it's all 0. This is the way you can connect your Codex to WooCommerce, and how you can get valuable insights regarding your store and your store performance.